Welcome back to Skibbity Tech. In today's video, I will be showing you guys the best PDF editing multi-tool. If you work with PDFs regularly, whether it's school assignments, business documents, or personal files, SwifDoo PDF gives you all the tools you need in one place. You can edit PDFs, convert them to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or images, compress large files, merge documents, and even use AI features to summarize, translate, or chat with your PDF documents. What I like is that it's available across Windows, Mac, iPhone, iPad, and Android, so your files stay accessible no matter what device you're using. If you'd like to try SwifDoo PDF for yourself, check out the link in the description below and see how it can simplify your workflow. Now let me show you how to download it and set everything up. First, simply open their official website, linked in the description below. Then download the version for your device. On their website, you can also find out more about the tool. Once downloaded, simply install it as you would with any normal application. It has tons of cool features, such as edit PDF text, images, and pages. Convert PDFs to Word, Excel, PowerPoint, CAD, and images. Convert Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and images to PDF. It also has an AI PDF summarizer, AI PDF translator, and AI chat with PDF documents. So if you're looking for an all-in-one PDF solution for editing, converting, compressing, securing, and even using AI with your documents, be sure to check out SwifDoo PDF using the link in the description below. Thanks again to SwifDoo PDF for sponsoring today's video. Stay safe, and I will catch y'all in the next video.